Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika and today I'm demonstrating how to add Calendly to WordPress website using Elementor. So let's get started. Calendly is basically used for scheduling appointments. From here you can create a link by joining through which many participants can join and conduct a meeting with you. So sign up through Google, use your email ID, then click continue and then you can see this preface. Here you get the option that if you want to opt with your team or by your own, and you can also get the options that how Calendly can help you. So here we are choosing on my own. If you have a team you can opt for that, and next we are choosing for schedule meeting and then next. So here is for the role. I'm choosing marketing. You can choose anything else, whatever suits you. Then click on next. Now you get 3 options for calendar. So I'm choosing Google Calendar. You can choose other, but Google is preferred. Then click next. So this is the page which will be shown. So here you can see the mail ID and whatever we have chosen, then click next. So here you get the time slots. From here you can add timings accordingly. You can add or remove from any date, whichever you require. So let's remove some of these and change some of the timings. You also get here some of the options at beside. You can also choose the time zone from here and then click next. So here, as we have chosen already Google Meet, where we want to join the meet. You can also opt for any other or for phone call and then click on continue. So now one of the link is created through which we can conduct our meetings. Our availability can be known. So from here, this 3 dotted, we can see there are multiple options given. From here coming on to, you can see that there are so many options. You can invite from the phone number also, or you can connect it with a phone call. So from these calendar you can choose the dates. 29 we are choosing and the timings. Then similarly we have also created one more meeting. So here we are editing the invite limit. That will be 39 and then saving it. So from here we are choosing date and time for this and then saved it. Then coming on to this 3 dot and then click on add to website. Then here you get 3 options. Click on inline, embedded, then continue. Then you can get here the HTML code. So we will be pasting this onto our website. So we will be copying this code. Now coming back to our website. So from the widgets we will be searching HTML. Drop down this HTML code into the container and now pasting the given code into this code box. And now click on publish. So now this is published. Now beside the publish button, click on the drop down bar and then view page. So you will be directed onto the front page of our website. So here you can see that our Calendly meetings are added. So now I will show you how anyone can schedule it through the website. So let's click onto this one meeting link. Now from here date can be selected and now timing. Then next. Now here name, email ID, and if any further extra questions are there, it can be added. I am just for dummy purpose adding the name Riti and I am adding up here email address. Then click on schedule event. And that's it. We are done. So now our meeting is scheduled. So like this way, you can add Calendly to your website. Thank you. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.